basketball. I don't know what we were doing. We had 7 turnovers in the quarter. Like 5 possessions in a row. We threw the ball away. I don't know what we were doing. Mind-boggling. But yeah, we choked. We collapsed. We sucked.
Also, not the way you want to start the second round. Also,
Definitely. We needed this game. I mean, no disrespect to Blackwater, but we really needed this game. Now we're gonna have to earn it the hard way. We have 4 teams. So yung mga perennial playoff contenders yung makakalaban namin. Obviously, it's gonna be tough for us, but no excuse. Blackwater played well. They made the right adjustments. We didn't have answers. We couldn't score. I don't know if we were doing the fourth quarter because it looked like we were pretty much in control for close to the three quarters.
Coach, medyo tikitan yung sa ilalim nyo eh. Na parang jockeying for position ng what's mo sa race and how crucial is the next few games for you in relation to those
Well, I'd like to think we need to win at least 2 games to have a chance to make the playoffs. Obviously, Meralco, they're struggling. They've had a lot of guys out and sick, but they're gonna figure it out eventually. So we just have to worry about ourselves. Now we have to pull off an upset. Again, we're underdogs but in every game, but today we just didn't play smart basketball. It's really frustrating. So I don't really have too much words here.
Kumusta pala si Richie, coach? Kasi yata subbing out ng last
I
one.
think he just had a little gash on his knee. He's fine. Nothing major. So he's okay.
How about having Matthew Wright in attendance? Former Phoenix player.
Yeah, it was nice. I'd love to have him on the bench, not behind us on the bench. But it is what it is. Hopefully, one day I'll get the chance to coach Matt again here in the PBA. But yeah, it's a big boost. He's still close to a lot of guys in the perk. But he's going back to Japan. Tingnan natin after. Sana makabalik siya sa amin sa Philippines.
Coach, you play Rain or Shine on Sunday. They beat in the first round. A big game, obviously.
Yeah, we need to find a way to win, to be physical, to stop Fuller because they bullied us, they manhandled us. I mean, Blackwater also bullied us. So, sana pumalag kami at hindi kami maging malambot. So, we want to change our mindset. We just have to be tougher, especially against a tough physical team like Raiders.